Hi guys, so before going out, I'm just gonna put on a little bit of makeup. I'm using my Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Latte and my Alamar Cosmetics brush, the bronzer brush. I use this one for foundation and I love it. I had nowhere to place my camera, so I had to sit down to record. I need to get a freaking camera to vlog since I want to start vlogging more now. I'm sorry if the lighting is like kind of off. My curtains are down, so that's why. There we go. You guys, I love this foundation. This is probably like my 8th bottle already. My mom and I use this foundation and we just love it. So right now I'm just getting ready. I'm gonna go to Marlon's house. Well, he's gonna come pick me up. We're gonna go to his house, eat something, and after that we're gonna go buy some things for his school since he starts Monday. And then after that we're gonna see where we go. We do want to go to the Miami Design District, so let's see if we end up going there. We had so many things planned for today that we don't even know what we're gonna end up doing now. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm using the Too Faced concealer in the shade Light Beige. So now I'm gonna go back with the foundation brush and just pat everything in place. Now, as you all know, I'm gonna use my Holy Girl favorite powder by Maybelline, the Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Fair. I'm gonna be taking my Alamar brush, the brightening brush, to set my under eyes and my face. Guys, I know this is a really bad angle. I'm just trying to finish quick because Marlon is already on his way. And I always tell him that I'm almost ready. And he ends up waiting a whole 30 minutes outside. I suck. I'm always late everywhere. If you know me, you know. Guys, I'm always late everywhere. Now I'm gonna set my face with the Morphe setting mist. I'm gonna put on some deodorant. Gotta smell good, guys. Gotta smell good. This lippy stick is my all-time favorite lip liner from ColourPop, and they're only like $6, I think. This is a collaboration with Karen. This is 951. Freaking love this one. I don't want to wear a matte liquid lipstick. I want my lips to get some hydration. I've been wearing like matte lipsticks for a while already, and I just feel like they need something. I just feel like they need some hydration. So right now I'm using the Dior. I know you guys heard me talking about this one in my last vlog. This is a Dior Dick Lip Glow in the shade Rosewood. I just put it on top and it gives it that beautiful color. I'm just gonna part my hair. I'm gonna part it like this. I always part it in the middle, but today I'm feeling it to the side. Just like that. I'm gonna put on my cocoa perfume. Oh, this smells so good. I freaking love this one. I think that is it. Marlon already texted me that he is here And like always, I am still not ready. Well, I'm already ready, but I just have to go down now. This is what the makeup looks like. Simple. Okay guys, I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so now we just got out of his house. We went there to go eat. His mom had made us some food. Now we're here. He came to some auto parts so he could clean his car because we're gonna go to this parking garage in the design district to take pictures of his car. I brought my camera right here, and then we'll see what we do. I'll see you guys when we're there.
Take a picture. Here's the position I've always wanted. Dale, after you take yourself.
So we just took some pictures. They came out pretty nice. We're gonna see like which one he likes. All right guys, so now we're here at H&M. We came here to the one in Lincoln Road, but I just told Marlon to go inside by himself. We already took some pictures of the car. I guess he didn't like the angles I was getting, and he was just like, let me take some. And again, my vlogging sucks, you guys. I'm not used to this. My camera is probably shaking all the time, and I'm always looking this way. I'm gonna see what we end up doing after. He's only gonna be here for a bit, pick up some things, and then we're gonna head out and see what we do. I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so it's already like 11 at night, 11 p.m. and I totally forgot to vlog the rest of my day. After that, we just went to my boyfriend's house, ate some pizza and chicken nuggets there. We chilled at his house, we saw some movies, we were there for a while, and I'm so sorry this vlog is all over the place. I barely vlogged. Now I'm gonna head over and shower and just lay in bed because I am exhausted and tired. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys.